As a simple trick for find out the hybridization given the IIT JEE questions. But this is the one of the topic in very simple in inorganic topics, mostly in inorganic topic. Two types of methods. One is a first case one. That's one is a first method. This is a case one. By using of the valence electrons. So first of all, the total valency electrons. The total valence electrons 8 are less than 8, then it is divided by, this is mostly is very important, the totally by using our valence electrons is equal to group number. Okay, so first of all, the one of the table, the total valency electrons and hybridization. The total valence electrons and hybridization, suppose the total value is 2, that is sp hybridization. Total value 3, sp2 hybridization. The total value is 4, that is sp3 hybridization. The total value is 5, sp3d hybridization, and 6 is sp3d2, and 7 is sp3d3 hybridization. This is most important in this technique. But what is how to apply? How this applied? Is applicable to, suppose for example in ammonia molecule. Ammonia is a NH3 molecule. In given NH3, you find the hybridization. The nitrogen is a group number is a 5. It contains 3 hydrogens. 3 hydrogen is the only one. So totally 8. But this one is divided by 2. So 4 times cancellation to 4. Therefore 4 is sp3 hybridization. The hybridization is sp3 hybridization. This is sp3 hybridization. Okay. The next, another one. The next example. For example, is taken water, H2O. How to find the water hybridization? It contains 2 hydrogens. And oxygen valence, that is the group number is 6. The total is 6 plus 2, 8. It is also divided by 2. This is totally value 4, the total calculated value. The 4 is a sp3 hybridization. So this is also sp3 hybridization. This is also sp3 hybridization. It is also exhibit the sp3 hybridization. In water molecule, the oxygen undergoes sp3 hybridization. Okay, next. The next another example is a BH2 molecule. BH2 molecule, beryllium hydride. In beryllium hydride, a group of plus 1. Totally value is 4. 4 divided by 2. This is only cancellation in 2 times. Its hybridization, that is 2. 2 is a sp hybridization. So simple. For example, ion state. In given ion ammonium ion NH4 plus 1. In ammonium plus 1, the nitrogen group, the hydrogens are 4 hydrogens. The total value is a 9. But valency in valency is having plus 1 state. In ion state in plus 1. So take minus 1. So 9 minus 1, this is a 8. 8 divided by 2, this is a 4. The 4 is a sp3 hybridization. Therefore NH4 plus also sp3 hybridization. Okay, this is a case 1 method in hybridization. This is only useful to 8 or less than 8 only. This is 8 or less than 8 only. Okay, suppose is given suppose In method 2, that is a case 2 method. This is case 2. But what is the case 2? The total valency electrons are greater than 8. The greater than 8, then it is divided by 8. The total valency electrons are greater than 8, then it is divided by 8. Okay. So one of the most important point, it's form of the remainder, that is a note. The note is a remainder. Suppose a form of the remainder, then it is also divided by 2. This is most important point. Suppose in cancellation with 8, in case it's form of the remainder, then it is also divided by 2 and both are adding. For example, xenon oxyfluoride, XCOF4 molecule, xenon oxy tetrafluoride. You find out the hybridization in xenon oxy tetrafluoride. The xenon is a group number 8 and the oxygen group number, that's one is a 6. And it contains totally 4 fluorine atoms. Fluorine is a halogens. This is 7th A group of elements. So 7 4s, 28 plus 6, 34, 34 plus 8. This is totally 42. The 42 by 8. This is cancellation. Is cancelled to 5 times. So remainder is having 2. Therefore remainder is cancellation with 2. This is one time only. So therefore 5 plus 1 total is 6. The 6 is a sp3d2 hybridization. It's very simple. In sp3d2 hybridization, just very simple, the total valence electrons are greater than 8, then it is divided by 8. Suppose a form of the remainder, this one, a form of the remainder, then it is a cancellation with 2. The total value is both are taken in total value. So this is exhibit sp3d2 hybridization. Suppose another example. In another example is xenon dioxydifluoride, XCO2F2 molecule. In xenon dioxydifluoride, the xenon valence is a 8 and 2 oxygens, each oxygen is a 6, and 2 fluorine atoms, each fluorine is a 7. So this is total value. This is total value. This one is calculated values. The find out the total value. Therefore 14 and 12 plus 8, the totally is this is a 34. Its one is a 34. Therefore 34 by 8. 4 times is cancelled. 32. 8 jar 4, 32. The remainder is 2. 2 by 2. This is only cancel, only 1. Therefore 4 plus 1. The total value is 5. The 5 is a sp3d hybridization. This is sp3d hybridization. Okay. The next another example is, suppose for example is given the beryllium chloride. What is the hybridization of beryllium chloride? Beryllium is a group number 2 under 2 chlorine atoms. The chlorine valence is a 7. The chlorine valence is 7. Therefore this is a valency 7 into 2 16. The 14 plus 2 16. 16 by 8. So 2 cancel only. Therefore this is hybridization is a only sp hybridization. The beryllium chloride, beryllium undergoes sp hybridization only. The next another example, iodine heptafluoride, IF7 molecule. In iodine heptafluoride, you find out the iodine hybridization. Iodine valence is 7 plus 7 fluorine atoms. Fluorine also valence is 7. Its one is 56. So it is a balance is a divided by 7 times. So 7 is a sp3d3 hybridization. This is hybridization is sp3d3 hybridization is a iodine in iodine heptafluoride. This is one of the point. The next, the last one of the last example. In another example is sulfur hexafluoride SF6 molecule. The sulfur is a valence is a group number. That's one is a 6 and 6 fluorines. Fluorine is a valence is 7. So 42 plus 6, therefore 48 is the balance by divided by 8 is a balance with 6 times, is cancellation is 6 times. 6 is a, that is sp3d2 hybridization. This is sp3d2 hybridization. Okay, thank you.